Have you ever thought of making your own logo but are not able to make because of several reasons? Maybe you don't have PC or because you don't know how to make. Even if you are able to make, you are not able to figure out how can you remove the background and make your logo transparent. In this video, I will show you how can you make this logo on your mobile using Pixel Lab. If you can make this logo, then you can design your own logo also using your ideas and creativity. One more special thing about this tutorial is that you can export this logo in Ultra HD quality without background. Which means if you will use it somewhere, you won't have this irritating background with it. So if you want to be expert in logo designing, then watch this video till last for full information. This is Nikhil and you are watching Motivating Machine. If you are seeing my face first time, click this subscribe button and hit that bell icon for further notifications. Let's continue.
As you can see, we have already downloaded this application Pixel Lab. We'll open it. We'll open new project and we'll type as I am going to make logo for Motivating Machine. I have selected this font Oswald Heavy. Now align it on screen in the center. So logo is also aligned. Now remove background and download this logo in PNG file so that background won't be there. Now remove everything and import that image we downloaded. Now bring it in center. Now make this background in black color so that our logo will be visible clearly. Our shape button won't be there till we have selected any image, you can see. So we'll bring any text for some time. Now our shape option is there. Select shapes and align it in such a way that it looks like one line. Decrease its height and increase its width. Now it looks like a line. Now bring it to the center. Okay, so now it looks good. Now copy again bring it in center and use this bottom menu to bring it up or down. Keep its pixel full and tap only once to bring it down. Again bring to the center, now tap twice. Similarly repeat this process till 5 lines appears. We are done with the bottom part, now we will work on upper part. Again copy the same line. Now copy it and repeat same process till it looks like logo I showed you before. Now our logo is also completed. Now remove this text and we are going to remove this background. Download this image in Ultra HD PNG with background, black background. Now image is downloaded. Now remove everything from this project. Now remove background also, keep it transparent, and import that image we have just now downloaded. Okay, now image is also imported. Now go to erase color and enable this. Now drag this color to black. Click OK and set tolerance to 100%. Don't change the smoothness, keep it 0. Bring it to center and go to text, add text, and I am going to write my brand name, that is Motivating Machine. You can write your own. Now select text and set any font of your choice. Adjust its size and align it below logo. Okay, so now it looks good. Now our logo is completed. Now download this in PNG. Make sure you are downloading it in PNG so that background won't be there. If you will download in JPG, background will be there. So our logo is completed. If we will use this logo, it will look something like this.
I hope this video will help you to figure out how can you design your own logo. If you found this tutorial useful, give this video a like and click that subscribe button and bell icon. This is Nikhil and you are watching Motivating Machine. See you in next video. Thank you.